Absolutely no doubt, digitalization. That's the key word.
Energy storage, that is really important to have more efficient use of wind power and sun power, etc. So energy storage is one. The other one, in order to have the electrification working, we need a lot more battery production and more efficient batteries.
We are in the middle of a transformation from mechatronic systems to digital value-added networks.
Fully connected, flexible and hyper-efficient, the new manufacturing model will make use of technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality.
I'm really thrilled by what digitalization and the use of data, combined with artificial intelligence, can bring to the manufacturing industry in Europe.
This integration of the new technologies can be a real competitive advantage for European manufacturers.